rabbit is really quite simple. We will be using a whole rabbit today. The ingredients that we're gonna be using to marinate this rabbit are gonna be simple. They're gonna be black pepper, garlic, chile guajillo, white onion, comino, oregano, and Nor sauce season. We're going to blend them very well. And now with that done, we're gonna focus on cleaning our rabbit. As you can see right here, you're gonna cut the head off. Really, you could grill it with it, but I honestly took it off because it's easier. Next, you need to focus on cleaning the rabbit very well. You want to take everything that's inside, the liver, the heart, everything else. You can cook that aside. I did not put it in this video, but you sure can do that, and you could grill it as well, do it over the soup, but that would be for a different video if you guys really wanted to see that. Other than that, you want to cut it, make sure that, like that part, like I showed you, the thorax is completely down and it's completely flat. Now we're gonna rinse it to make sure that we're getting rid of any impurities, anything extra, any blood that was left, even though really honestly this does not have a lot of excess. Then we're gonna dry it to make sure that when we put it to marinate, we're not leaving water in there and the rabbit is only absorbing the sauce that we're going to be preparing it with. Next, we're going to place our rabbit in any container of your choice. In this case, I used the clear one. And then we're going to put the sauce that we made. Make sure you put good massage into it. And once it's all set up, you're going to wrap it around with aluminum foil. And we're going to put it in our fridge for at least an hour and a half to 2 hours. It is ready to grill. On the grill, we have to make sure that it's 350 Fahrenheit, and we're going to grill each side of the rabbit for a minimum of 20 minutes. Now that can change depending on how big your rabbit is. Always keep an eye on it, make sure that it doesn't burn. After the time is up, you're gonna be able to smell that your rabbit is done. It's kind of like a chicken breast type of grill smell. And how you're gonna know it's well done, you're actually going to be able to shred it, as you can see in the video right here. You're gonna be able to shred it as if it was chicken breast, and that's how you know it's ready. And now all you have to do is enjoy your rabbit, whether it's accompanied by vegetables, potatoes, any side of your choice, or make them in some very cute and tasty rabbit taquitos like I did. And believe me guys, they were really good. And that was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below what would you like to see next. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys next time.